In the Center of Excellence of Bandung, we use a software developed by Schneider Electric called Energy Lab. This software allows to produce system in reality virtual. Virtual reality offers total immersion in simulated environments, enabling users to fully engage in learning and acquire practical skills in a realistic way. It enables the creation of interactive, customizable learning scenarios, offering experiences tailored to learners' needs and levels. With this, virtual reality systems will help all students, even if they don't have the real system, to manipulation. This activity will enable students who don't have a sensor kit to carry out manipulations. The Bandung COE offers these students the same opportunity as others who are well equipped. For this is one of the noble missions of our center.